Yeah, good evening everyone. Good evening. Thank you Chandravardhan. Thank you so much. Thank you. It was nice to see you again. Chandravardhan, where are you? Chandravardhan, where are you? Congratulations Chandravardhan. I think you are doing PhD, right? You are doing PhD, right? Am I right? Arpit, start from second year. Trust me and do that. Arpit, start from second year, first sem. Second year, first sem onwards you can start. If you want to start first year itself, you can start. There is no problem. I thought you will enjoy 1 year at least. I thought you will enjoy at least 1 year. Yeah, it's anything is okay. You can start. Arpit, you can start. But the only thing is you cannot lose interest. The only thing is you cannot lose interest. Right. Let's start now. Let's start the actual topic now. Thank you so much Chandravardhan. All the best. Thank you so much. Let's start the today's story. Listen everyone. So I am going to say now, I am going to discuss now one table. That is closure properties. Right? Closure properties. The table name is called closure properties. If you study properly this table, you are going to get 4 marks. In GATE examination, getting 4 marks it is almost like God's gift. In GATE examination, getting 4 marks are almost like God's gift. My suggestion to all of you, whoever watching this video, my sincere suggestion, please get this table somehow. You will get the full marks. If you study this topic, if you study this entire table, you will get the full marks. And remember, while studying this table, 90% things you cannot by heart. 90% you cannot by heart, 10% you can by heart. Few things you can by heart. Most of the things you have to get meaningfully. It is possible if and only if you study the subject. If you study the subject, then only you will get. So my sincere suggestion is this table surely will give 4 marks. Most of the questions in the GATE examination, in my opinion, if you see the last year papers, last year before, or you see every year, you see 50% questions in the GATE examination will come from this table only. 50% of the questions in the GATE examination from the theory of computation. From theory of computation, 50% questions will come from this table. The table is closure properties. So remember again I am reminding you, 90% you cannot by heart. 90% study meaningfully. 90% study meaningfully. 90% study meaningfully. Right? 10% you can by heart. 1 or 2 places you can by heart. So careful. So let's start this. Surely 4 marks. 4 marks are confirmed. My total experience I kept here. 4 marks confirmed. Right? I will try one by one. Let's start. I will try one by one. Let's start here. Let's start here. So let me select some good color so that it will be good attraction, right? I'm going with the black color, right? See, start now. Start everyone. Everyone listen. Everyone listen. So if you see the row, rows, if you see union, concatenation, clean closure, reversal, intersection, complement, inverse homomorphism, substitution. Union, concatenation, clean closure, reversal, intersection, complementation, inverse homomorphism, substitution. Totally 9 rows are there, 9 rows. And see the columns, right? Regular, DCFL, CFL. CSL is actually not required. If you want, you can read, otherwise also no problem. Recursive, enumerable. CSL not required, right? If you want, you can see CSL. See this one, see everyone, CSL, right? It's not required at all, really not required. No one will ask you. But anyhow, if you want, you can remember, all are closed. If you want, you can remember, all are closed. All closed. If you want, you can remember, all closed. So 9 rows are there: union, concatenation, clean closure, reversal, intersection, complementation, inverse homomorphism, substitution. 9 rows and one more. How many columns? Approximately 5 columns. This also, if you include, totally 6 columns. Right? Most of the things you will get directly. 1 or 2 things maybe you have to by heart. Listen everyone. Listen everyone. Regular. First column, if you observe, regular. First column, if you observe, regular. In the regular, if you observe, everything is this one. Everything closed. Regular, if you observe, everything closed. CSL, if you observe, everything closed. Right? Now come to see this one. Come to recursive enumerable. Listen everyone now. Come to recursive enumerable. Listen everyone now. Come to recursive enumerable. In the recursive enumerable, everything closed except, listen, except only one person, which is the very, very important. Only one person, which is the very, very important. What is that one? I think complementation. See this one. Complementation row and recursive enumerable not closed. Remaining all are closed. It is the very, very important. I kept star also. It is a very, very important. I kept star also. See, if you see the title of today's class, how to get full marks in the TOC and compiler. How to get the full marks in the TOC and compiler. So today I am saying one place where you will get the marks surely. 4 marks will come from this table. Through experience I am saying 4 marks will come. 9 rows are there. 6 columns are there. First column, all are closed. Last column, right, all are closed except complementation. And one more, if you see the CSL, everything closed. CSL, if you don't want to study also, no problem, right? So remember, all are closed. Regular, all closed. Recursive enumerable, everything closed except complementation. Now remember everyone, one more thing you remember. In the DCFL, everything not closed. In the DCFL, everything not closed except reversal complementation. So remember this. These are also important. In the DCFL, which are right, in the DCFL which are not closed. See everyone. Sorry for this. Yeah. So see this one. In the case of the DCFL, everything not closed except 2 people. What are those? Complementation and one more thing is what? Complementation and one more thing is inverse homomorphism. These 2 are closed. DCFL, remember, which are closed. DCFL, remember, which are closed. DCFL, remember, which are closed. REL, remember, which are not closed. REL, remember, which are not closed. And one more, REC also remember, which are not closed, because everything closed. REC also everything closed except these 2 people. These 2 people, who are those? Check once. Homomorphism and substitution. And one more, CFL, this one, CFL, everything closed except two people. This is very, very important one. This is very, very important. This is very, very important. These two things are very, very important. CFL is not closed under intersection. CFL is not closed under complementation. CFL is not closed under intersection. CFL is not closed under complementation. These CFL, these two things are very important. CFL, remember, not closed. DCFL, remember, closed. Regular, all closed. REL, all closed except complementation. REC, all closed except homomorphism substitution. CSL, everything closed. CSL, everything closed. Check anyone having any doubt. Check anyone having any doubt. This table is very, very important. This table is very, very important. This table is very, very important. Please check one time. It is a very, very important, this table. 90% study meaningfully. This table, 90% study meaningfully, 10% by heart. If you want to study meaningfully, you should know all the concepts. If you want to study meaningfully, you should know all the concepts. Without knowing concept, very difficult, because the reason is they don't ask you directly. They don't ask you directly. The reason is they don't ask you directly. They will ask you indirectly. If directly ask, everyone will give answer. They will ask you indirectly. If you want to give answer, indirect things also, you have to study meaningfully. Please have meaning. Please have meaningfully this table. So the things which I kept star operator, very, very important. CFL, two things not closed. Intersection, complementation. REL, one thing is not closed, complementation. Right? Next one, mostly, REC, listen everyone now, listen, REC, CSL, mostly not needed, but one thing I want to say to you, listen, one thing I want to say to you, in the REC, which one you have to remember? In the REC, which one you have to remember? I will say one thing, see this one, REL is not closed under complementation, but REC is closed. This is the very, very important one. This is the very, very important one. REL is not closed under complementation, but REC closed. And in the similar way, listen, in the similar way, if you observe clearly, intersection, CFL is not closed, DCFL also. DCFL mostly everything is not closed. DCFL mostly everything not closed. CFL mostly everything closed except these two people. But if you observe clearly, one thing I want to say to you, listen, one thing I want to, if you see the DCFL, CFL, DCFL is closed. CFL is not closed for the complementation. Can you see this? This is also very, very important. DCFL is not, right? DCFL is closed for complementation, but CFL is not closed. CFL is not closed. Right? DCFL, see the intersection both not closed. Intersection DCFL, CFL not closed. Complementation DCFL closed, CFL not closed. And one more important thing, listen, can you see this slide? Can you see the seventh row? Can you see the seventh row? In the seventh row, if you observe, in the seventh row, if you observe inverse homomorphism, see inverse homomorphism all closed. In the 7th row, inverse homomorphism all closed. Inverse homomorphism all closed. See, the things which I circled, they are very, very important. The things which I circled, very, very important. Right? Remaining all are very easy. So, circled things, please take care. Compulsory, you will get the 4 marks. Compulsory, you will get the 4 mark. This table is very, very important. This table, anyone having any doubt, please comment in the comment section. Please comment in the comment section. Please comment in the comment section. Anyone having any doubt, I will share this table to you. Don't worry. I will share this table to you, don't worry. This table I will share to you. It is a very, very important thing. Very, very important. Very, not normal. Very important thing. See, I am repeating once again. See this one. These two are important. Remember this circle, these two are important. And one more, listen, this circle also important. And one more, see this one, this circle is not required, don't worry. This circle is not required. This circle also not required. See, whatever I circled, whatever I done the circle, they are very, very important because all the questions will come from there only. See this one, the things which I circled, they are very important. DCFL closed under complementation, CFL not closed. Intersection is not closed for both. Intersection not closed for both. Take care. This also take care. And one more. This 7th row, all are closed. 7th row all closed. Right? I think anyhow, see this one, anyhow, listen, 8th row, 9th row actually not required. If you by heart, no problem. See, whatever I circled, they are very, very important. This one closed for all. Let's go further. See, some more operation. See this one, I think 9 I done, it is the 10, it is the 11, it is the 12, it is the 13, it is the 14, it is the 15, it is the 16, it is the 17, it is the 18. It is 18, it is the 19. So, right, in the previous page 10 rows, now here one more 10 approximately, totally 20 rows. See, this also take care. Listen, it's very simple. See this one, it is a very simple subset. Listen, subset, all not closed. It is very easy to remember, all not closed. Next one, infinite union, all not closed. Infinite intersection, all not closed. Infinite difference, all not closed. These four are very simple, all not closed. These 4 very simple, all not closed. So they will ask the questions from table only. If you want to get this table, you should know total story. If you want to get this particular table, total TOC you should know. After TOC completed, read this table. You will get the clarity. This is the conclusion table. After TOC completed, then see this table you will get. After TOC completed, then see this table you will get it. Subset, infinite union, infinite intersection, infinite difference, not closed. And one more thing, see this one, this prefix operation. See this prefix operation, all closed. Here all are not closed. Here all closed. Next one, quotient operation. Quotient operation. Except this person, all closed. Cycle operation. Except this operation. See this one. Mostly, listen, DCFL, mostly not closed. Just remember for a DCFL, which is closed. DCFL, prefix closed. DCFL, prefix closed. DCFL, prefix closed. Right. DCFL, prefix closed. DCFL, prefix closed. Remember for a DCFL. Remember for a DCFL, which is not closed. See this one. Remember for a DCFL. See this one. DCFL, everything not closed. Only few closed. Only few closed. See, this area actually not required. And one more. You no need to know what is the cycle operation. You no need to know what is the min operation, what is the max operation, what is the half operation. See these people, you can by heart. These people you can by heart. There is no requirement of meaning. Right? So 16, 17, 18, 19 you can by heart. 16, 17, 18, 19 you can by heart. Normally they don't ask you. If they ask also, directly they will ask. 16, 17, 18, 19 you by heart. Right? Remaining thing, most of the things study meaningfully. Right? Most of the things meaningfully. 10, 11, 12, 13 all not closed. 14 all closed. 15 except DCFL all closed. 16, 17, 18, 19 you by heart. 16, 17, 18 you can by heart. This table will give 4 marks. 4 marks will come. This table will give 4 marks. This table will give 4 marks. Now go to the next one. Go to the next one now. And one more thing I want to say to you. Before starting, listen, before continuing further, I want to say something about Unacademy. Let me check. Before going to say further, I want to say something about Unacademy. Listen, if you are serious about GATE examination, you are preparing for any competitive exam, like GATE examination, like PSU examination, like MNC examination, right? So any competitive exam of computer science, if you are preparing, my sincere suggestion is go to Play Store. Go to Play Store. My sincere suggestion is go to Play Store. In the Play Store, right, download the Unacademy Learning app. Go to Play Store, download Unacademy Learning app. After downloading, scan this QR code. Scan this QR code. After scanning this QR code, you are able to see all my free classes. After scanning, right, you are able to see all my free classes. Scan this, all my free classes you are able to see. Which are useful to you, really useful to you. They will be really useful. Next one, see this one. 20% off is going on. If you are really serious, 20% off is going on. 20%. Join today. If you are really serious, join today and plan. You have 5 months time. For GATE examination, you have 5 months time. GATE examination, you have 5 months time. Plan like this. Every month, you should get 10 to 15 marks. Plan like this. Every month, 10 to 15 marks you have to get. In every subject, right? Take the important topics and study. So every day, take the important topics and study. It doesn't matter which subject. Any subject you take, important topic you take, study. And solve the PYQs. Let us assume that one important topic, X. Take that one. Study that. PYQs you solve. Like that you do this total 5 months. Every month try to get 10 to 15 marks. If you can get it, you will going to get approximately 65 or 70. You will easily get the good GATE rank. You will easily get the good GATE rank. My suggestion is if you are serious, join today only. 20% off is going on. Join today. Target like this. Every month 10 to 15 marks. Every month 10 to 15 marks. How it is possible? Every subject take the important topic then and its previous questions. Important topic and its previous question. Do like that rigorously 5 months. You will get the very nice rank. Right? 20% off is going on. Take subscription today and join. Use the referral code ReddySir. This is my sincere suggestion to you. If you are really interested to get the good GATE rank, that is a very good idea. And one more, this one. If you want to write Unacademy test series and if you want Unacademy printed notes, you can subscribe. Use the referral code ReddySir. You will get it. Right? They will charge you some amount. It's okay. Right? So if you want Unacademy test series and Unacademy notes, right? So this much cost, you can subscribe. Use this referral code. You will get some discount. Next one. So for that also there is a 20% off going on. Right? If you want to join the Unacademy test series and Unacademy notes, for that also 20% off is going on. So right, please take if you are really serious. Now GATE exam is less than 6 months away. You can take Iconic subscription, get the maximum advantage. Next one. See everyone, very important statement. Very important statement for all the people who are watching this class. Very important statement. See this one. See everyone. August 25 means today. August 25 means today. Today only TOC started. I started the TOC. Introduction class over. Today only TOC started. Introduction class over. 5 p.m. I started. Right? Today 5 p.m. I started. TOC, Theory of Computation, I started. Exactly 30 lectures. If you study those 30 lectures followed by this table, you will get 10 marks out of 10 marks. GATE examination from TOC 10 marks are there. In GATE examination from TOC 10 mark. Last year 10 marks as it is came. As it is from the notes. You will get as it is from the note. Trust me, you will get as it is from the notes. Right? So today 5 p.m. TOC started. Only introduction class is over. My suggestion only 30 lecture, every day 3 hours, 1 month. 1 month TOC full marks you will get. 1 month TOC full marks you will get. It is me. In Unacademy I am teaching algorithm, data structures, programming, compiler design, theory of computation, computer network, discrete mathematics and digital. I am teaching all these, right? 7 subjects. Digital. All these subjects I am teaching. In Unacademy I am teaching all these 7 subjects. Recording is there, live also there. August 20 means today TOC I started. Live is going on. You have recording also. If you want to complete fast, go for recording. My suggestion, go for algo recording, DS recording, programming recording. Recording if you go, important topics only if you study, right? Go for recording, important topics only you study. Every subject will take 1 week. Important topics only if you study. Every subject will take 1 week. Every subject 1 week. Right? So don't miss this. Join this class. Tomorrow onwards, major story going to start. Use the referral code ReddySir and join. Don't miss this wonderful opportunity. Right, next one. My suggestion is go for Iconic. Because you will get so many advantages while joining Iconic. And one more, you can join in the EMI option also. Within 2 hours, EMI will be approved. Minimal paperwork, flexible tenures. For more details, call this number. So see this one, tomorrow onwards, tomorrow at 5 p.m. TOC starting, actual TOC starting, tomorrow 5 p.m. onwards. Don't miss it. Questions will come directly from notes. Right? This class followed by this TOC lectures followed by this table will give full marks. Right? Let's go to table. So see the table once again. One more. See this one. Totally 3 tables. See this one. 1, closure properties 1 and 2 and 3. See this one. Here if you observe, I think 19 at the 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. Total I think 27 rows are there. 27 rows. See this one. Most of the things, you should study intelligently. Don't do by hearted manner. Intelligently you study. See how it is. Listen everyone now. These 3 rows if you observe, 3 rows, yeah. These 3 rows if you observe, all are closed. See. These 3 rows if you see, all closed. And this also all closed. See. This also all closed. But this one only these 2 not closed. 20, 21, 22 all closed. 24 all closed. 23 2 not closed. Next one. 25, 26, 27. Let's see this one. Suffix, listen, suffix, right? Suffix, DCFL is not closed. Remaining all closed. Difference, DCFL is not closed. And CFL also not closed. And one more thing is, REL also not closed. This is the very important. Difference. This is the very important. Many questions are there in the previous papers. Suffix DCFL not closed. Careful. And substring, it is not a subtype, it is not a subset, it is a substring. It is not closed, right? It is not closed. Remaining all closed. And this is the very important one. This also, circled things are very important. I know this entire table because I didn't by hearted. I know this entire table because I didn't by hearted. I know this entire table because I didn't by hearted. 1 or 2 places I by hearted, but most of the time, study meaningfully. Suffix is not closed under a DCFL. Everything closed. Difference is not closed for DCFL and CFL because complementation not closed. Difference is not closed for DCFL. Difference is not closed for DCFL and CFL because complementation not closed and intersection. Intersection is the major reason. Why difference is not closed is intersection is the major reason. Right? Here complementation is the major reason. Here also complementation. Here intersection is the reason for that. Substring. DCFL is not closed. Substring is DCFL is not closed. Remaining all closed. Please be careful with these 3 tables. Maximum things don't by heart. Maximum things study meaningfully. Few things you can by heart. Now let's go to this table also. This is for undecidability. See this one, undecidability. Right? Listen, undecidability. If you observe clearly undecidability, see this one. I think rows, let me count. Row number 1, I think I will use another color. Yeah, fine, some color. Row number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, I think 10 only, totally 10. So last one is completeness. I think 11 are there, 11, right? Totally 11 rows, 1 2 3 4, totally 11 rows. Completeness, and last one is L complement. Last one is L complement, right? L complement. So let's see this one. Listen everyone, if you observe clearly, regular all closed. DCFL, listen, regular all closed, and recursive enumerable, see REL, all not closed. Here all closed, here all not closed. See this one, all are decidable, that means decidable. Regular all decidable, REL, no one is decidable. And one more, DCFL, everything decidable except these two. CFL, CFL except first three, see, all are not. CSL except first person, all are not. I think last one is something separate. Right? Last one is something separate. If you don't write last one also, no problem. In my opinion, last one not required also, because already there in the closure properties, already there. That is the reason last one not required. Right? Now see this one, CSL except first one, all not closed. Go to the REC except first one, all not closed. It is very easy to remember, First one all closed, last one no one closed. In the DCFL everything closed, right, except 2. In the CFL except first 3, all are not closed. In the CSL except first one, everything not closed. In the REC except first one, everything not closed. It's very simple to by heart. And the undecidability. It is the undecidability story. Guarantee one question will come from these tables. If anyone want to know, if anyone want this table, I will give to you. If anyone want table for this, if anyone want table for you, right? See this one. There is a Telegram group, Unacademy. Unacademy CSC 2023. There is a Telegram group, Unacademy CSC 2023 group. In this group you can join. Right? I will keep that. Right? I will keep the closure properties. This table I will keep. But remember, after studying total TOC, then only this table is useful to you. Otherwise, you don't get. Listen, some people are thinking that this much big table we will remember. I am also human, I also remembered. Those people who got the nice rank, they also remember. The reason is very simple. When you study entire subject, this is something like conclusion. Only, right? Fine. Someone is asking, sir, when will you start discrete mathematics? I will start discrete mathematics September 25. I am starting discrete mathematics. September 15 I am starting discrete mathematics. Right. Now go to the one more table, which is the last table. See, halting problem of a Turing machine, undecidable. These all are undecidable. Here nothing there. Halting problem of a Turing machine is undecidable. Blank tape halting problem is a Turing, right? Undecidable. State entry problem is undecidable. Post correspondence problem is undecidable. Modified post correspondence problem is undecidable. All are undecidable. Totally, if you observe, how many tables are there? Let me count. This is the first table. This is the second table. This is the third table. This is the fourth table. This is the fifth table. 5 tables are there. 5 tables. In all the 5 tables, in my opinion, see this one. In all the 5 tables, in my opinion, few things are not required. Even I also don't know. Few things are not required. Right? Few things are not required. Some major things are there which are rounded. Few things even I also don't know, because they are really not required. In the previous paper one question also not came, but safe side I written. Instead of keeping the gap, safe side I written, right? So few things you can by heart, no problem, but the things which I rounded, the things which I rounded, you have to study very well. The things which I rounded, you have to study very well, because most of the questions will come from there only. Someone is saying that, can you send your full notes? I don't have full notes. Vishwa, I don't have full notes. See, some things really not required. I don't want to write first of all, but keeping gaps not good idea. I written. So if possible, you study those also. But the things which are rounded, see this one. This is very simple. Everyone will get. This is very simple. Everyone will get. This is very simple, everyone will get. Here, this is also simple. See, first row all closed, sorry, first column all closed, last column not closed. And before these two, if you see, two people are closed. First, right, first people, remaining all not closed. If you go for CFL, DCFL, everything closed except these two. Right, CFL, right, these people are not closed. CFL except first three, remaining all are not closed. Now listen, see this one, in this table, the things which I rounded, which I kept a circle, which I kept a star operator, very, very important. The things, right, the things which I circled, where I kept a star operator, they are very, very important, take care. Next one, here also, right, here also, the things which I, right, so this one, circled things are very, very important. Circle things are very, very important, take care. So these are, I think, 10, 11, 12, 13. All not closed. Next one, I think one more thing, right? Fine, perfect. Now go to this table. Here also, important things I done. The circle also I kept star operator. Circle also star operator. Please take care. These circle things are very, very important. These circle things are very, very important. Through experience, I am saying many questions are there in the previous paper. Should I start TOC first or compiler design? TOC. Abdul, TOC you can start. Check, anyone having any doubt? Someone is saying, where you provide the table? In the group I will provide. Right? Unacademy CSE 2023. In the group I will provide. Check, anyone having any doubt? Any doubts? So when class is, sir, I completed TOC CD, what should I do practice now? Previous questions and rank improvement course also. Right, SPOG, right? So rank improvement course you can do and PYQs also. If you completed PYQs and rank improvement course, if you do that, it is enough. Rahul is saying, by joining Lakshya batch, syllabus will be completed. I said to you, I already said 5 months strategy. I said important topics you study. Rahul, you cannot complete everything, right? Important things you study, which is equal to same. At the end of the day, questions will come from important things only. Every month plan, every month plan 15 marks you should get. Every month plan 15 marks you should get. So plan like that, 5 months you will get the 75 marks or 80 marks or 65 marks, you will get like that. Rank improvement, right, available in Unacademy, yes, in the plus only, if you are a plus member or iconic member, you are eligible to access them. Last year rank improvement course there, right, that one you can watch. All the practice questions are there with video solutions. All the practice things are there with video solutions. I started algorithm first, can I stop TOC or learn TO, right? So you can do both. Prashant, you can do both. Sir, how you revise, how to revise daily from the notes, or by solving new questions or going through the notes, right? First notes complete, followed by PYQs. First notes, then PYQs. First notes, then followed by PYQs. Sir, after completing a subject, I am unable to solve questions. What should I do? Practice more. Rahul, notes study properly. If you study notes properly, mostly you are able to complete. Suppose assume that which question you are unable to solve, that topic you go, you read once again. That is the purpose of practicing questions, right? You will get to know where you go wrong. After completing the topic, go to questions and solve. If you have doubt, right, clear the concept again see one time where you are going wrong. Please let us know what are the major scoring subjects in GATE. All. Arpita, all are major scoring things only. Whatever is there in the syllabus, we have to study. Whatever is there in the syllabus, we have to study. All are important. So instead of going subject wise, which is important, which is not important, please go topic wise. Arpita, please go topic wise. So that's what I am saying. Go to every subject topic, every subject important topics. Every subject important topics you study. I already explained, see all my previous lectures. Yesterday lecture, day before yesterday lecture, today lecture, see all of them. I said important topics of every subject. Yeah, so please study only important topics. Yeah, you can leave them instead of hanging with them. You can leave, that day will come, you will solve those also. Whichever is difficult one, keep in one folder. Suppose in the digital some problems are difficult to you, keep in one folder. Discrete mathematics, some questions are difficult, keep them in folder. Take the pick or something like that, keep in one folder, right? So whenever that day will come, you can solve it. When you start digital on plus, right, mostly after TOC. After TOC, I will start digital. After TOC, I will start digital. Sir, please send topic wise questions selected by you. Right, I will teach every day. Bishwa, I will teach every day on the YouTube. Right, whatever questions which are important, I will start teaching on the YouTube. But concepts I may not able to teach, right? Concepts purpose you can join the Unacademy plus or iconic class, right? Questions and all the things mostly I will practice on the YouTube. Sir, revision of all subjects can we start from Jan? So Arpita, you don't have enough time for revision, right? Now itself start revision. Now itself start revision. You don't have enough time, right? Now itself, right? Topic followed by questions. Topic followed by questions, like that. Let us assume that you are studying last time. You don't have enough time, Arpita. If you complete all in the last 2 months, you can revise. How to do analysis of test series? So where it is going wrong, what are the why it is wrong? Please, if at all any topic, right, topics are right, concepts are wrong, revise again. Right, speed is the problem, right? Please take care necessary steps. Right, calculations problem, please take care necessary steps. So identify where you are going wrong, what is the actual problem. Accordingly you can plan it. So if anyone not joined Unacademy till now, if anyone not joined, my suggestion, please take the subscription, right? 5 months you struggle as much as you can. If you keep on hanging on the YouTube here and there, you don't get anything, no advantage. No advantage. If you serious, until now you wasted time somehow. Now also don't waste. Until now you wasted time somehow. Now also don't waste the time. This is the correct time. If you don't do now also, you will be loser. You will be losing side. At least now take the necessary action. Yes, at least now take the necessary action. See this one. See, tomorrow 5 p.m. TOC starting. It is a wonderful opportunity to learn TOC. It is a wonderful opportunity to learn TOC. Tomorrow it is starting. And one more thing is, right, tomorrow it is starting. See this. 20% offer is going on. 20% offer going on. Excellent opportunity. Go for iconic subscription. Go for iconic. Don't go for plus. Go for iconic, because you will get the test series also free. Printed notes also free. If you go for iconic, test series also free. Right? Printed notes also free. My suggestion, go for iconic. Right. See you in the next class. Thank you so much. Good night.